Hi guys, today we will be reviewing the HiFree Multicolor Smart LED Lamp. It is a smart, ergonomic and modern looking LED lamp that you can use for your night light, study lamp or as a designer lamp for your living room. Today, I will be checking out some of the cool features that this lamp has to offer. The packaging looks good, with key specs listed on the packaging. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one HiFree Smart LED lamp, wrapped nicely inside a plastic packaging. Also included is a user guide to help guide you through the setup process of this device. A wall AC power adapter is included to power up the lamp, all packed nicely in the product packaging. On first impressions of the Smart LED lamp, it looks really modern in design with a minimalist outlook appearance. Who knew such a simple and modern looking lamp can be smart and sophisticated with app connectivity and scheduling capabilities? There is an AC power port to plug the device into. The white button is for color changing options. Let's power it up now. To power up, simply plug it in, and power up. It will light up immediately and you can change the color tones with the white button at the back. Although, this is just an alternative control to change the color tones, a more advanced option is to use the app, which I will try it out later on. The touch-sensitive control key at the top of the lamp is the power button, which is touch-sensitive, which makes the overall user experience more enjoyable to use. Now, to download the app, head over to your device app store to download. It is called the Smart Life app. Hit install and the process will begin. After download, launch the app. You can choose to log in or sign up. After that is done, proceed to add the smart lamp to the app. Simply select the right model from the list. Before that, remember to activate pairing mode on the lamp by holding down the back white button for 5 to 10 seconds to activate pairing mode, where the lamp will blink in a fast pace. Then go back to the app to select the lamp model. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the lamp synchronization process. After a few minutes, the setup should be completed and the lamp will be synced to your app. Check it out in action. The lamp looks really stunning during use. It provides a warm tone of light depending on your preference. You can alternate the lighting color to your preference. It looks really cool and stylish that fits the overall modern tone of my home. Let's try out the in-app controls of the LED smart lamp. In-app, you can adjust warm and cool white light tones. Simply adjust accordingly on the scale in-app to adjust the light to the right color tone. You can also adjust the brightness accordingly. Alternate between different color tones in the color selection mode, where you can select from an entire wide scale of lighting color options. Cool. There is also various customizable mood lighting modes to choose from, like night lighting mode, reading mode or working mode. All cater to the mood setting of your needs and wants. Adjust it to a mode you are comfortable with. You can set a timer for the lamp in app too. Like here, I will set it to 5 hours, where it will automatically turn off after 5 hours. Set a schedule to automatically turn or off at a certain time of day easily with the schedule settings. Overall, I find that the HiFree Multicolor Smart LED lamp is a good choice for people who like to automate things in my home. It is a fun and exciting lamp that I find useful for use in my home. If you want to find out more about the HiFree Multicolor Smart LED lamp, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.